So, we have a situation here. We can either run out screaming and burn the entire grooming salon down, or we can do this. How to get Max's leash off the wall. It's probably not going to work. Yes, did it! Ta-da! Okay, this is method number 2. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, safely got the leash! And the spider seems unperturbed by all of it. He's had a slight shower from the dog shaking. And this is actually a baby huntsman. They get a lot bigger than this. He's only a little guy. You can see by the size of my hand compared with the spider. He's actually not that big. Hi. And they're non-venomous, so they're not dangerous. But they do look pretty scary, don't they? He just wanted a grooming. He wanted to have his legs trimmed and a bow around his back abdomen. I think would look really cute. We'll just leave him alone. See ya!